For this year's main vacation, we decided to revisit the Philippines, to see what has changed in 6 years. Except, of course, us.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing, thank you.
We spent our first night in Manila at the Asiatic Hotel in the historic San Sebastian area. It was a comfortable and convenient place to rest after arrival. The location made it easy to settle in and start our journey smoothly. We drove from Manila to Banaue and Batad, a journey of around 9 hours through scenic mountain roads. Along the way, we watched the landscape change from busy city streets to lush highlands. The drive itself felt like part of the adventure. We stayed 2 nights at Boga Lodge in Banaue, surrounded by breathtaking views of the rice terraces. The peaceful setting was perfect after long travel days. It was an ideal base for exploring the area. We walked through the breathtaking Batad rice terraces with local guides who shared stories about the land, traditions, and farming techniques passed down for generations. These terraces are part of the UNESCO World Heritage listed rice terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras. Walking the narrow stone paths gave us an up-close view of village life and the incredible engineering behind this ancient landscape. We hiked to Batad Waterfall, passing through lush greenery and terraced fields. The waterfall was refreshing and incredibly scenic. It became one of our favorite natural spots on the trip.
We enjoyed, really.
Thank you, it was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
In Sagada, we visited the famous hanging coffins and the historic church, learning about the region's unique traditions.
During rainy days, there's a dropping of water that destroyed the coffin.
We also explored coffee plantations and enjoyed coffee tastings. The town offered a wonderful mix of culture, history, and flavor. We visited Monasterio de Tarlac, a peaceful religious site perched on a hilltop. The atmosphere was calm and reflective, with beautiful views. It was a meaningful and serene stop on our journey. We found Manila to be a vibrant and energetic city where history and modern life blend seamlessly. From busy streets and markets to colonial architecture and churches, the city offered a fascinating mix of old and new. It was the perfect introduction to the culture, food, and rhythm of the Philippines. We explored Intramuros, the historic walled city of Manila, and felt transported back to the Spanish colonial era. Walking along the cobblestone streets, we visited old churches, squares, and forts. It was one of the most atmospheric and culturally rich parts of our time in the city.